What's up, you guys? It is Kyra and I'm back again with another vlog. So today I am doing a day in the life of a medical assistant student. This is distance learning. As of right now, I am kind of rushing to film this just because my Zoom class, if you don't know what Zoom is, it's basically like a Skype or something like that. For school, now that stuff is distance learning, it started at 9. It's already a little bit past 9. I usually do the night ones and work during the day, and I work during the day now, but for some reason my manager decided that I had to work a night, so I'm working tonight and I'm going to go to class. So let me get set up on my computer and set up for the Zoom because I'm already late for my virtual class. Okay, you guys, so I'm just setting up my computer to get on the Zoom. I don't have a notebook or anything because y'all, like, literally I just listen to the lectures. Probably once we start going back to classes, we're estimated to start going back by the 18th when they start more of the reopening. I'll probably take notes then, but these Zooms, y'all, I just be trying to get the credit for being on there. I really don't. Like, I do my work, but I don't take notes while she's actually lecturing on Zoom, so yeah. And also, once I first get on here, I'm going to turn my camera off. Like, they can see me, but I'm going to turn it off for a minute so that I can make me some coffee and stuff. Because, y'all, I'm just not used to having to do this in the morning. I told you guys that I've been doing a little bit of different stuff for my job, which is why I've been working mornings rather than nights. But they got a lot going on, so they have to switch me to a night this week. It's loading.
Hi Kyra, good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to the morning group.
Yeah, I had to switch today.
Jaden, are you on here? Yes. Better? Are your allergies any better? Not really. Oh man.
Yeah, but I'm sneezing less, but now it's just all stuck everywhere, so.
Okay, guys, so I had to turn my video off and mute myself, but this is just what it looks like.
So we're going to go quick through.
So you can see who's all in here up top. That's my teacher, so that's why it's so big, because she's the one that's talking and she's the teacher.
There's some chapters in phlebotomy that we
and then there's me.
Don't necessarily need to go over. However, I focus on
and yeah, so I'm just about to listen. I'm going to make me some coffee real quick and just listen to this lecture. So I'm trying to listen to this lecture, and this dude is really over here barking. Then I'm also trying to make coffee, and my teacher is asking me questions, so I had to hurry up and turn my mic on and pretend like I'm sitting right there watching. Oh my gosh, she just emailed. I think she's emailing the PowerPoint. Charleston, stop it!
Or anabolism is the process by which the body uses simple substance to build complex substance. So the body is constantly replacing itself to maintain a healthy individual. Skin grows over a cut to heal the injury. Blood cells are constantly being created, demonstrating the need for anabolism. Both of these will also be on your test, so make sure you study those.
Okay, you guys, so that Zoom is finally over. Thank God. So anyway, during the Zoom, I was kind of just working on some of the stuff that we... Shut up. I was working on some of the stuff that is due this week. We basically have this big old packet, and then we also have some stuff online that we need to complete. So I need to complete this packet that I'm showing you right there, and I have another packet. I have medications that I need to write out all about the medications, and I also have a crossword puzzle and another packet that I need to complete with medical terminology. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff to get done somehow. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day, and I hope you can hear me through this face mask. But today, I am in my skirts because I actually have to physically go to my school for labs. So we have to wear a face mask for these labs because today we are doing injections. Let me take this off. I can't do it. I thought I could, but I can't do it. But y'all know I'll have it on when I'm doing my lab, of course. So today we're doing injections. I want to try and vlog. The thing is that I have switched classes. I am in CMP now, so I don't really know this teacher like that. Like, I've met her in person I think twice, but yeah, I don't know her like that. And I don't know who's going to be in this lab tonight, because with the whole COVID thing going on, it's not like a whole class thing. It's like they're scheduling certain times for people to come in and get their labs and clinicals and whatnot done. So yeah, I don't know who all is going to be in this lab or if I'm going to be able to get some footage, but I hope I will be able to. I need to run a few errands before I go, but I'm trying to get there early so that I can work on a few things as well.
Extremely high, and they were at risk for having a stroke. Your inaccuracy can have dire consequences on the patient's overall health. This lesson.
So after watching the short video in class, we ended up doing injections and I couldn't get any footage. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of my mob. But here's just some of my supplies that I did use during those injections. Obviously I couldn't take video while I was injecting anyone, and I don't really know people in this class to have anyone record for me. But yeah, I hope you guys decide to subscribe and watch again next week.